Well, they shared of the spoils today. Sum up your feelings at the end of that one for me.
Listen, a point on the road's a good point, and it was a well-fought game by two teams, to be honest with you. But if I'm honest, I'm a little bit disappointed with the three glorious chances we've had on top of the 2 goals we've scored. We haven't stuck one of them away to win it, and I'm sure Mike will be thinking they've had a chance to win it, but overall we've had more chances in the game than they have.
Well, Mike, it's another point for you today. Are you pleased with it at the end of the day?
Pleased in some aspects, because at the end we possibly could have conceded, although I think if we did concede, it would be a true reflection of the game. I think we had chances. I think it was a little bit basketball-y in the second half, which we don't want it to get like that. We need to control the game a lot better than what we did.
Well, Tom, 2 goals today. Talk us through them.
The first one's a bit scruffy, but as a 9, you're meant to put yourself in positions to score goals, and luckily it came off me and went in the back of the net. And the second goal was some good play from Ruben out wide, and I just, again, in the right areas, and managed to get my toe on in. And the second goal of the game, I'll take that.
Another question. Should it have been 3 today?
I was waiting for that, but yeah, it should have. The easiest chance I had of them, I'll kick myself for that. I'd more than be happy for the 2, because I could have won the game today. I'm a bit gutted with myself, but we'll take a point on the road. Tough place to come.
Today's the first time you scored twice in a game for a good number of league games. How pleasing was that for you today?
Yeah, that's a positive. I'd argue as well to say that there could have been a few more. So yes, 2 goals, but now can we challenge and get 3 and 4 goals and ultimately get over the finishing line to get 3 points? But we've shown massive character once again from coming back, but we can't continue to keep coming back from a goal down to obviously then to draw, and we want to collect 3 points.
Well, it's been a very positive start to the season for you, Andy, but a bit frustrating with the news coming in that your game next week is called off.
Yeah, listen, it happens. It is what it is. We have to just deal with that and put it to one side. I think the boys, some of the boys who've got a few niggles, it can work in a favour in one way. They can rest up a little bit, and then we look forward to go again now. I think it's Penabont in the Cup on a Wednesday night in 10 days' time.